I hope you're ready for this look. And I'm talking to you from the side because I got nothing on this side. So you can see the difference. Hopefully my lighting is working out since those are my Hollywood mirror lights. And I want to show you how to do this relatively easy and quick Carnival New Year's Eve festivities inspired makeup. And if you like this look, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Are you ready? Okay, it's gonna be quick. We're focusing on the eyes, no time wasted. And it's gonna be like a 5-minute eye makeup. I hope I make it in 5 minutes. For the Carnival, if I post this on New Year's Eve, it's gonna be for the New Year's. Last minute quick makeup, because who has time to spend more than that, right? First thing, we're gonna use some tape, I know. So I'm gonna get a little bit of tape. And one thing when you're using tape, it's so sticky and this eye area is so sensitive, just peel it a few times for your body. Hear that stick? And we're gonna put it right here. Yes, I hope I can see my mirror because the setup I have here ain't good. Right, we got this. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is prime my lid. I guess I should have done it first, but I forgot. And I'm gonna use the remaining of Urban Decay lotion potion. I call it lotion potion. Eye potion. And I'm gonna put it on my lid. It's important to prime your lids. For this look, I'm going bold. I like bold shades. So, first thing I'm gonna do, this is a little different. I'm using Juvia's Place, the Magic by Juvia's palette. I really like this palette. It has a lot of good stuff, but this one is kind of close to my skin tone. The color is called Cassie. And I'm gonna put this with a big brush all over my lid. A very thick brush. Put it in there and just prime it up. I don't even have my eyebrows done. Nothing's done, so. Next thing I'm gonna do is use a crease brush. This is just a fluffy brush, and I'm going in this brownish shade here called Nana. And I'm just gonna, do my magic with the crease. And it blends beautifully when you put the other color on. So we blend. And then clean brush. Again, it is one of those fluffy crease brushes. Next, this is where we're becoming more bold. I am gonna go down here too. I'm gonna take the same brush I was using and dip it in a red shade. I know. Just go with it, okay? This is called Coggy. It's like a reddish, but it's matte, so we're looking with matte. So if you find a reddish shade that's matte, could be purpley, more purple if you want. I'm gonna go in there as well. And I'm gonna go down here, bring it down. So it just builds dimension. It is not overwhelming. In some light it may look more pink, but I promise you it's red. It's a pretty red shade. I don't really have a dark red to go, but this will work. And then I'm gonna use the same clean brush as I used, and then smudge off the top edges. Just smudge it out. Now for this here, I'm gonna go bold right away. I don't know. We are gonna start with a darker shade on the outside. I usually go with lighter, but we're gonna do a different thing. I'm using the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette, and the color we're gonna do is this Vega color. It's a beautiful blue shade. For this one you can use your finger or not. I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm gonna spray my flat brush with my Bradesco Rose Water. You can spray it with water or any setting spray. Dip it in, and then I'm just gonna put it right here. Notice I'm not going all the way to the edge. It's right in the middle. Pack it on. Pretty shade. Has glitter in it too, so that's perfect what we're doing. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use more pointy brush like this, and I'm going into the Magic palette by Juvia's. Go into this really dark, I guess like a navy shade called Yejida. Jida, I think. It's hard to pronounce this one. And I'm gonna go here right on the outside of it. Oh, I feel like I need more. This is a matte shade. And I'm going in like not all the way in, just tiny bit and just working it. I really don't like this pointy brush too much right now. It's not doing what I want as well. Around the edges, it doesn't blend it well, so I'm just gonna use this one again. Blend the edge. And I'm gonna use that Vega shade right there. Put my finger in it now. Go more in it. Yeah, finger looks good when it goes in. A little bit coming down, not too much, just tiny bit. And then, for an element of surprise of blue, I'm gonna go with this beautiful blue shade by Inglot, number 33. And I'm gonna use the same brush, just different side of it. Oh, look at that. That's pretty, huh? I like it. Yes. Oh yeah, that blends nice. Blend it out some more, because I really want this line to be nicely blended. Got it, got it, got it. Almost all got it. So, before further ado, we're gonna add some sparkle. And we're gonna use the Stila. And this is Into the Blue Shimmer and Glow eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows. It has like a purple undertone or duotone. I put it all on my lid. And then I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out. Look at that. Can you see that? That looks fantastic. I really, really like it. Okay. So I thought it would be quick, so I'm gonna take the tape off. Tape is gone. What I need to do is get a baby wipe. Wipe all the extra. See how nicely the line came? That's what I like about this. I'm gonna use some foundation, Marc Jacobs. Keep forgetting how full coverage this foundation is. It's a lot, so I'm just using this under my eyes as well. And it finally matches my skin tone. I got cold in Houston. So I'm not doing all on my face, so you can see a difference too. Okay. Now for the bottom part, I'm going to use a flat brush like this. And I'm going to go back into that Vega shade. That's pretty, look at that. And then that Inglot 33 lighter shade. Right here on the inner. It's like my eye is popping. And then last, and I usually should do it with the lighter one, but I'm going to go with this dark shade here, just kind of tie it in to look nicely. And now this is optional step for those who want a little bit more drama. I'm gonna use a brush, this one, and I'm gonna go with that red shade to outline the lower part. Again, this step is optional. So now I'm going to blend everything again. Never clean brush, just the edges here. Blend this out. I'm going to add some highlight for the inner shade and my brow bone using Becca. And this is Rose Quartz highlight. Highlighter. Using a little small brush here. Adding that in. To our inner corners. And to my brow bone. It is very subtle, so I like it. Found my liquid liner, took like 5 minutes. And so any good liquid liner. I'm gonna get a little close because I gotta see. This is Ciara liquid liner, by the way. What do you call it? I think Flicks. Fierce Flicks. So I'm just following the line that I created. Okay, the line is done. Then I'm going to do my lower lash line in this color Black by Essence, Smoky. I've been using this for a few videos, I like it. Ah, my finger was dirty. I haven't even set my makeup yet with powder. I will do that in a minute. Once this is drying, I'm going to put some powder on my face to set it, and I'm using Broken Up. This is Rimmel Stay Matte. This is good for setting. stuff on my neck from doing mask, peel off mask. I put not enough of it. Oh, it's like things are coming off. The skin is coming off. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Off camera, we don't want to see this. It's time for mascara. I'm using Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Oh, my lashes didn't curl so well. For some reason. They have a moment, I'm telling you. Another thing I'm going to do really quick off camera is do my eyebrow really quick. You can see the difference between the two. Because I need some arch. And I was using the Cabal Brow by Benefit, which I like. I got some fallout from the mascara, so I'm waiting for this to dry. I'm going to do House of Lashes Sephora Collection Everlasting. I had to cut them to my eye shape, so I'm going to do these off camera because it's easy. But one thing, if you're using a glue, make sure that you give it 30-40 seconds before applying. Trust me, I've learned my lesson plenty of times with this thing, so you want to wait and let it dry a little bit. Putting them on, but I'm getting a phone call from my family in Poland and I messed up. I got some glue here, so I'm going to wait for it to dry as well. Let me get my eye cleaned off. Take this call. That was New Year's in Poland, so let me wipe off some of the leftover here. The glue is the pain because they start calling me and I'm like, looking everywhere. And it's nice to show my mom that I have one half done. And there's a glue on my eyelid too. I gotta pull this because it's pulling my eyelid. I think I'm good. I got rid of it. The eye is looking great. Next we gotta do is a little contour. Palette for me to use right now will be the Tarte Explore Glow palette. And I'm gonna go in with this scalp shade. I'm gonna be pretty dramatic right now because I'm gonna take that here. Very densely packed brush, perfect for contouring. Now we're not gonna leave streaks like this. We're just doing it right this minute. So I'm gonna outline my face, a bit on my nose, the perimeter of my face. Can you see that? It's blendy time. Now I want to be a little bit more dramatic than normal because it's nighttime and I want to have nice photos too. Okay, for the highlight, I'm going to go back with Becca. I am going to be using a highlight brush like that. Put it on here. So pretty. I wasn't peeling more. A bit on my nose, lips. Oh, very pretty. For the cheek, I am gonna use the balm. I love the balm. This is the Hot Mama palette. It's a beautiful color. And I'm gonna use slanted blush brush. And it has a nice color to it too, so it looks pretty. Pretty, pretty. Now the lips are very important, but because my eye makeup is so strong, we're gonna go with something more subtle. I'm gonna use NYX Lingerie. And the color is Push Up 06. I'm gonna do half only. I know this is awkward. I really want my eyes to pop even more. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put like a, this is like gosh, like a diamond crystal powder. Use any one with the gold in it. One thing we're gonna do is a little bit of glitter glue. This is Too Faced glitter glue. I'm gonna put that in on the inner corner with my little brush. Tiny bit here, because I really feel like the eye needs more pop. That happens when you make makeup, do makeup sometimes. You're like, oh no, I need more. And then I'm gonna just swirl the same brush in the pot and put it in. Oh my god, this is pretty. That's it, that's all I want. I really like it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that blue too from England 33 with it. Just blend it in. And I am done. You can see the after. So a little drama. I hope you like this look, and if you do, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. I wish you all a very happy new year. See you next time. Bye.